Welcome. Today I am going to show how TCP Reset Attack can be done. For that, first we will see what is TCP Reset Attack. Let us consider there is three machines, client machine, server machine and the intruder machine. And there is a TCP connection over client and server, and whenever there is a data transmission, the intruder machine will listen to that and it will send a forged data packet to the server. As to reset the TCP connection between client and server, intruder will send a forged packet as it is sending from client. So now server will not know this, so it will accept the packet and it will reset the connection between client and server. So basically the intruder broke in the TCP connection between client and server. So this is TCP reset attack. Let us see how to do that. To do that, we need Ubuntu OS. I have installed VirtualBox, and on the VirtualBox I have installed two Ubuntu OS, and this is going to act as a client and Ubuntu client is going to act as a server machine. And before starting, we need to configure the network. First, we go to settings, network. In that, in adapter 1, enable network adapter and make it host only adapter. So when we do that, VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter will be enabled automatically. If it is not enabled, we need to make the change in control panel, open control panel. Okay. Go to network and security. Okay, network and sharing center. Change adapter settings. See here, Ethernet 9, which is for VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. We need to enable this. I have already enabled. Okay. After that, it will show automatically so that we can configure our network. And if we do this, this is making the static IP address, so we cannot connect with the internet from this OS. So if we want to connect to the internet from this OS, we need to enable the adapter 2 and make it to NAT. NAT will enable us to connect with internet. Okay. Click OK. Do the same for this OS also. Now run both the OS one by one. I have opened already. Now let us open the client. This is client, this is server. Only the name is different. Let me show the username. Username of this system is Hindu, and we need to configure IP address here. For that, the command is first login as root. Now here these first two lines will be there by default. We need to configure this. We need to add these lines as static configuration, and IP address is 192.168.10.1. This is for static IP address and this is for dynamic through which we can connect with internet. Save it. check the IP address now. And one more thing we need to note here is ENP0S3. This is for static IP address 192.168.10.1 and ENP0S8 is for 10.0.3.15. Before changing the network configuration, we need to check this. So look here, this is for static and this is for dynamic. You should not do any mistake here. Okay, save it. Now you have to restart. It's taking big time. Fine, it's done. So now after this you can check your IP address. It will be changed and do the same for the other OS also. Let us see here. I have done the network configuration already. I will show the IP address. Okay, here it is not installed, so I am using this command. This also can be used to check the IP address. See, okay, this is my static IP address 192.168.10.3. Fine. And let us check the username also. For this system, the username is Madhi. And okay, let me open Hindu operating system. So to do TCP reset attack, we need to have SSH service and Wireshark and HPing3. All this we need to install. I have installed everything already. Let me show you the commands to install all those. To install SSH server, command is sudo this is the command to install SSH. And to install Wireshark, this is the command. And HPing3, this is the command. I have installed all this already. And we need to install SSH service in both the machines. I have installed already, and now we need to start the SSH service in both the machines. For that, the command is started. We can check the status. Okay, active, running. Similarly, we need to start SSH service in the server machine also. Okay, it is also started. Now I will connect with the system by using SSH service. For that the command is SSH username, which we already checked, which was Madi, and the IP address. This is the IP address for the system Madi. It is prompting the password. Yeah, we have logged in successfully into the Madi operating system. Okay, let us verify. Yeah, it is listing out the files. Fine. Now it is opening another terminal. Start Wireshark as the root. Yeah, it is starting now. So we know EMP0S3 is the IP address which we have configured. So start this one. It will start capturing the packet. As of now, we are not sending any packets. Now let's check here. Yes, it has captured the packets now. Now filter out the TCP. Check the last packet which I sent. Okay. Here the sequence number and next sequence number or actual sequence number, but in sometimes it won't show the actual sequence number. It will show the raw sequence number or the relative sequence number, which was not real, which is the sequence number and acknowledgement number for the first packet sent. So Wireshark is showing like that. So we need to disable that. For that, go to Edit, Preferences, Protocols, find TCP. Yes. Here we need to deselect relative sequence number. Okay, click OK. So this is actual sequence number and acknowledgement number. Now we will see. Open another terminal. This is third terminal. Through here we are going to send a forged packet to the server. Okay. For that the command is sudo the IP address of the server, source port number, which we can see here. This is source port 59416. Destination port number is 22. And now set the flags. R flag is to reset, A flag is for acknowledgement, and M flag is for next sequence number. Next sequence number is this one. Type that 10 83874. Okay. Now we have to specify the acknowledgement number. The L flag is to specify the acknowledgement number. This is acknowledgement number 404040000704. C is to specify number of packets. We are going to send one packet. Enter. So we can see in Wireshark we have it has captured a reset packet, which is sent to the server machine. Now let us see. We have logged in here in the server machine. Just you type any command. We can see broken pipe. So which means we have attacked the server. So TCP reset attack happened. The connection has disconnected. Okay, that's all. Thank you.